Now let's take a quick look at the emission tab. Once again, we have an option for a level 1, a level 2, or level 3 analysis, with level 2 and level 3 being more detailed. But for this particular case of an off-grid system, the analysis is really simple. In the base case, diesel is being consumed. In the proposed case, there are no emissions. So the difference between the base case and the proposed case emissions is 2 tons of CO2 equivalent per year. If you want to see that with more detail, you can click on the figure. You can see that it's 1.9989 tons of CO2 equivalent per year. If you had some way of putting a monetary value on that, or if for some reason that had some monetary value for you, you could put a number in here, either as a shadow price or as a GHG reduction credit rate, and then you could say over what period and how that escalates over time. However, it's very unlikely for a small system such as this that is only achieving a 2 ton per year reduction in emissions that you would be able to monetize that. There's a nice little calculator over here as well that allows you to express this 2 tons of CO2 emissions reductions in terms of other quantities. So for instance, barrels of crude oil not consumed, it's equal to 4.6 barrels of crude oil not consumed. In level 2, we have the same results, but we can see the details of the calculation essentially being used. In level 3, we can change the emissions factors as well as the equivalence factors for CO2 and methane and N2O. That was a quick tour of the emission tab. The next tab we'll look at is the finance tab.